Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of more signalled tariffs on imports into the US, specifically on metals. A new inflation surge seems inevitable, as does less trade and low growth. In other words, we need to prepare for a new bout of stagflation. But first, American consumer inflation expectations for the year ahead remained at 3% for a third consecutive month in January, according to the New York Fed National Survey. This is far more sanguine than the University of Michigan survey we noted yesterday, which reported a 4.3% year ahead level. The New York Fed survey also noted that households now expect to pull back their spending in the year ahead. In India, the 1-2 public policy push to go for growth with tax cuts and lower policy interest rates isn't getting plaudits from financial markets. They've driven the Indian currency to a record low against the US dollar, although it has come off that in the past few hours. In the face of new US tariff threats, some targeted metals prices have risen. Essentially, they're pricing in the higher prices American buyers will have to pay. Aluminium is at a 2-year high and running at long-term high levels. Steel rebar, though, comes in many varieties and hasn't moved much because it has China-focused demand. Other commodity metals are flat, but specialty metal prices are rising, and copper is back near its all-time highs, suddenly at just over $10,000 a tonne. These shifts higher will undoubtedly underpin global inflationary impulses that no one can avoid. And we should probably note that the new aggressive US Gaza policies mean there will be no end to the risks in using the Suez Canal, extending its inflationary impact. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.49%, down 1 basis point from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at just under $2,900 an ounce and up $40 from yesterday. And this will be a new record high, a new record closing if it holds at this level. And oil prices are up $1.50 at just under $72.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $76 a barrel and back to week ago levels. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 56.5 US cents, down 10 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 20 basis points at 90 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 54.8 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 66.8 and down 10 basis points from yesterday at this time. You get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.